edited one of those music video, like one of my music videos that I was shooting. The music video is by an artist who goes by the name of King Hoster. The title of the song is For Him Road. Yeah, obviously in the New York Road, or street, whatever you call it, man. So I'm back again with this video where I will be breaking down how I edited this music video and what I did so that it can be this perfect. Yeah, the music video is kind of complex. Yes, it is complex. There are a lot of clips. The music video was shot with a Canon mirrorless camera. Okay, sometimes like I do speak fast. I don't know why. Maybe my father is passed around, but I don't know. Okay, get to it. So I won't be playing the video because of the copyright claim that I'm currently trying to avoid. So we took like 5 long video clips, of which on video track 2 we have the first one. Let me show you like the first one, how it looks. So this is the first. No, this is not the first one. This is the first one. You see this view. This is the first one. 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 You know. So this is the first clip we took. King Hoster is just sitting on a table. Yeah, it is a street vendor table, but it's sitting there putting like the bag full of cash. Then he's just rapping. That is our first clip we decided to place there. But one thing that you need to notice, we placed the video there and we made sure it aligned with the song. Another thing we did, we inserted the song, then we logged the song because I didn't want the song to carry, you know. We click here to log the song, you click option and you go there to log. So when you're doing this, like, you cannot move the song, you cannot cut it. Even when you are adding a clip, nothing will come and cut your original song. So anything that you decided to add, any sound, it will go below like the original song. It will go below the song. I hope you do understand what I'm saying. So the second video we decided to place, this was our second video. We decided to place it also on top of the first one, and we made sure this video aligns with the beat. So we made sure it aligned with the beat. It aligned. You see, this is my hometown. Like, I come from this dirty hometown where like the government eats the money and the people live in poverty. Yeah, that's where I come from. So yeah, this is the second one. I feel like there's a rain coming. So this is the second one. Then on track 4 I just added small clips, but it is not the final the full. But on this track, like this clip and this clip is a one clip, but we decided to press pause when we were shooting and continue. So those videos I had to overlay, and so that we can choose the video that we want. So let me show you how like the third clip looks like. Like you can see on the top right, this is how like the third clip look like. This is how like the third clip look like. Sorry guys, it is a bit raining now. I hope this microphone will capture that sound. I know, but as long you can hear me, before I upload it, I will rewatch it and listen. If you guys can hear me clearly, I will upload it, but if you don't, I'll restart the video. Then the fourth clip, this is the fourth clip. I hope you can see. I really love this dark area. I really loved it. I won't lie, I love this dark area. I do fuck with it, but I didn't edit, and I need to edit. I'll try to edit. I'll try to flip it in. This is the fourth one, and the fifth one is whereby the camera is on top, and artist is down, it's like a groan. Then you can see here is a little bit light, so we decided like to put a little bit of a Vaseline on a lens so that it can have that small flick color there. But at the moment an artist move from that flick, the camera is alright, but coming back there, it brings that small flick kind of vibe, you know. Those are the 5 clips. Yes, those are 5 clips which we used. Then I also had this clip of which I didn't like because of the way it was. I didn't like this clip. I won't lie. I didn't like this clip, but I don't like this clip because there's too much light here, too much light, and there's less light here, and it will be very hard for me when I do color grading to get that back, to get that color back on order. But I did use this clip in some places, but I didn't use it that much. Then yeah, that's all. Then after I placed those 5 clips and make sure each clips like aligns with each the mouth of an artist, what he's saying aligns with the song, I started to cut and start moving like the place I want on video track 1. Then that's when like I started to add part that I want to see on the video. The part that I don't want, I remove them, and I add the part that I want. I add, and this is how it looked. I hope you can see. Like I will just move forward. This is how it looked like. So some clips with the clips we took on studio. So this is a clip that he was on studio, so I decided to flip it in. This is a lady that I showed you. Like we also have her own video where he looked on the side. This is a top camera. So here he was on the shop, so we decided to also take that clip and put it there. So let me play it a little bit so like you can see. Okay, on the beginning, let me show you the trick I did. So sometimes, like guys, I don't want to lie, there are so many ways to do things, but for this one I used VideoPad. You know, I use VideoPad and I wrote King Hoster, then I make King Hoster to be green. Then I send the photo straight here. I send the photo straight here. This is the photo. I send the photo straight. This is the original photo. Then I send the photo here on VideoPad. Then I remove that white through using the trauma key. Also on the forum road, I do the same thing. Even in King Hoster, I did the same thing. So at the beginning, you can see, okay, that's King Hoster. Then it blends to be that King Hoster like that. It ends and come and fades in again and be that forum road, and it quickly fades out. Then the rap starts. So towards the end, I put the company logo, Truland Records. Then I'm actually on record to be spinning. So another thing I did here, I noticed like the sky like quickly ends. So what I had to do, I slow motion the sky so that it can stay longer. That's what I did. This is not how long he took this guy, the cameraman, but this guy and this guy is the same sky. It's just that I decided I just duplicate this guy and put it here. After I put it here, like I just make it to slow motion so that I can get it, you know. So you can see that is an artist. Then go straight to the sky and the video ad. Then I decided to duplicate the sky. Then I put it some slow motion. Then I made a turnaround thing. Guys, I know if like I'm doing it like this way, for some of you they can find it very hard. On how I did it. Some people, I'm pretty sure, like they will know how do you know this is a clip that you want. It just depends on you. It depends on what you are going for. What do you want on that music video, and what will you like to have. So it just depends on you which kind of clip you want. Just like me, like I just said, like there's a clip that I didn't add which I wanted to add, you know. So let me play the video and see I wish it don't stop and go. I wish it don't do that ditch effect, but let me play it. I hope you guys do love it. Yes, I will get like what do you call it, the copyright strike. I'll get a copyright strike, but let me play it so guys you can see what I've been working on. I will stop around 40. I'll stop here. This is the only play, but I will play. So after this, when it's arrived here, I will stop it. Okay guys, let me play it so you can see it. So guys, that's it. Like I'll put the link of the video on the description. I'll put the link of the video on the description so you guys can see it. Thank you very much. I'm pretty sure it's not that long. Let me check it. I'm pretty sure this video is not that long. But guys, do tell me if like you want me to edit the video one by one, step by step, at least it's 11 minutes. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.